Let's journey back to Holy Week. It begins with Palm Sunday, marking Jesus' triumphant entry into Jerusalem. The crowd cheers Hosanna while waving palm branches. This event fulfilled the ancient prophecy in Zechariah 9:9. The following day, Monday, Jesus clears the temple of money changers and merchants, expressing his discontent with commerce happening in the house of God. "My temple will be a house of prayer, but you have turned it into a den of thieves." Isaiah 56:7. On Tuesday, Jesus addresses the Pharisees, intent to place him under arrest, challenging their teachings and practices. This is also the day that Judas negotiated with the Sanhedrin to betray Jesus. Wednesday remains a mystery, a silent day with no recorded events. Perhaps a day of rest and fellowship. Maundy Thursday sees the Last Supper, where Jesus shares bread and wine, symbolic of Jesus fulfilling the meaning of Passover, by giving his body to be broken and his blood to be shed in sacrifice, freeing us from sin and death. Good Friday, a day of sorrow, marks the crucifixion of Jesus. Before the third hour, 9 a.m., Jesus endured the shame of false accusations, condemnation, mockery, beatings, and abandonment. His last words were, "Father, into your hands I commit my spirit." Saturday is a day of mourning and waiting. When the Sabbath ended at 6 p.m., Christ's body was ceremonially treated for burial. But the darkness breaks with Easter Sunday, celebrating the resurrection of Jesus, offering hope and redemption. The resurrection of Jesus is the most important event of the Christian faith. After his resurrection, Jesus made at least 5 appearances to many people. This is Holy Week, a timeline etched in faith and history, a week that changed eternity forever. Read more for yourself in the Gospels: Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John.